Introducing GeoStorm, a novel and highly effective approach to urban stormwater modeling. With GeoStorm's user-friendly interface, view elements in 3D and analyze stormwater models faster with greater accuracy. Present your results effectively with state-of-the-art graphics and visuals. And we have got the global terrain data to support you too, no matter where your project is located. Say goodbye to monotonous repetition. GeoStorm redefines stormwater engineering by automating tedious manual tasks. Now you, the engineer, have time to work with the model and develop the best solution considering all scenarios and potential outcomes. Seamlessly integrated with EPA SWIM. GeoStorm is your key to efficient and powerful urban stormwater modeling. It's time to take it for a spin. GeoStorm, transforming the way you model stormwater. Visit www.civilgeo.com.